Good day, everyone. I've come once again today to teach you. Our topic today is still linear equations. Remember, the other time we discussed what linear equations were all about. We also discussed addition of linear equations. Today, we want to talk about subtraction. How do we subtract linear equations? That's what we are going to discuss today. Follow me. Let me show you the easy way of doing that. Let's go. All right. We are talking about linear equation, and today we want to talk about subtraction. Subtraction like this. Um, just like we discussed the other time when we discussed addition of linear equations. If you are subtracting linear equation, what do? You only consider the coefficient. You consider the coefficient of the unknown. That's the alphabet given to you. That is where the subtraction will take place. Again, subtraction will take place where you have constant. For example, if I have something like this, if I have for example, I have 4x um minus, maybe I have okay, let me have here, assume that I have 6x minus, maybe I have 2x like this. All right, maybe I will have it to be equals to maybe 8. Let me use 8 for example. All right, when you look at this now, we are subtracting. You notice that some people may think that it should be 6 minus 2, which is 4, then x minus x. You have something like this. You know it's wrong. Okay, look at what I'm saying, that the subtraction will only take place here on the coefficient, not the alphabet itself. The alphabet should be carried down here. Can you see? So what you are actually subtracting is the coefficient of the alphabet. That's what I said. All right, so now you say 6 minus 2 to give us 4. Then you bring down what? X here. You are not going to say x minus x. Is it clear? So you are subtracting only the coefficient. So you bring down something like this, which of course, you know, you are going to divide both sides by coefficient of x, which will give us something like this. Coefficient of x is 4. So when you divide like this will give us 1. Dividing this 1, dividing this, have 2. So that means that x is equals to what? Equals to 2. So if you are subtracting this, just know that it is number minus number, not alphabet minus alphabet. That is how we do this subtraction. Like this one, this will give us what? 4y. You don't do y minus y. Is it clear? So what we do is we do alphabet, that's coefficient of y minus coefficient of y here. That is how we do the subtraction. Then you bring down the what? The alphabet. All right, so we are going to do some examples to enable you to understand this better. All right, let's solve example 1. All right, we have example 1. Example 1 says solve 7y plus 2 is equal to 11 plus 4y. So we have solution like this. All right, I will bring down this question. I have 7y plus 2 is equal to, I have 11 plus 4y like this. Can you see that? So at this point, what do? I collect like terms. Those ones that have y attached to them should come together, and those ones that do not have y attached to them, they should also come together. And remember, anyone that is crossing this equality sign, its sign will change. Can you see it? If it has plus sign, coming over should be what? Minus. If it has minus, crossing over should be what? It should be, that's minus crossing over plus, plus crossing over should be minus. So we have this one. I'll bring this one here, which is 7y. Can you see it? All right, look at another y. It has plus coming over here. It will become what? Minus 4y. Can you see it? Then I have this 11. This one is plus coming over here. I will have something like this. Can you see it? All right, you say 7y minus 4y. That will give us what? 3y. You say again 11 minus 2. That will give us what? 9. At this point, I will divide both sides by coefficient of y, which is 3. So I have 3y over 3 is equals to, I have 9 over 3. Divide this one, divide this, I have this. When I cancel this one, dividing this, I have 3. That will give me that y is equals to what? 3. Can you see it? All right, so that is how it can be solved. It is not difficult. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Follow this page so that you will get to know when I'm going to post the next video. Bye.